morning, dears. Last day of algebra class, we have completed up to question number 6. Moving forward to question number 7, you can see the value of under root 676 is given, and then you have to find certain values. 7. If 676 under root is 26, then find the first question they have asked, under root 6.76 plus 67600. Clear? Now, this both has to be written in this way. We can write it 676 by 100 plus this we can write it 676 into 100. Now 676 value is 26 and 100 square root is 10, is it? Plus 676 value is 26 and under root 100 square is 10. So we can write it, the square root is over. Now you just see this gives you 2.6 plus 260, or this gives you 262.6. We got the answer. How simple it is, you can see. Number 2, it is given 0.0676 plus 0.000676, is it? Now this could be written as 676 by 10,000 plus this could be written as 676 by 1, then 6 zeros. Now what will be the square root of 676? That is 26, and square root of 10,000, that is 100. Again 26 by 1000, is it? Now it's so simple, you can convert into decimal and add, or you can leave it in the fraction and you can add. Will it be this? Because the LCM of 100 and 1000 will be 1000. So this 26 will turn into 260, or it gives you 286 by 1000, or 0.286 we can write is the answer. In this way we have to solve it, is it? Now you come to question number 8. Out of 1043 students, maximum students are to be arranged in the school field from the starting point for a marathon rally, such that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Find the number of rows if 19 students were left out after the arrangement. Now there are total students 1043. How many are left out? 19. So we'll subtract 19 from the total student. So that many students are arranged in the row and columns. Look at question number 8. Total students is 1043. Left out students after arrangement is 19. So students who are arranged, in the column is equal to 1043 minus 19, 1024. Now number of students in each row is equal to, according to the question, number of rows is equal. So number of rows is equal to under root 1024. Now we'll get the square root of 1024. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 12. So 32. We have got. Write it please. Now question number 9. Here you have to evaluate where we have to make identity of under root a into under root b is equal to under root ab. Now you see question number 9(1). It is under root 198 into under root 792. Clear? Now what we are going to do? We are going to write it together. 198 into 792. Now you get the prime factor of 198. 2 9s are 18, 9s are 18, 3 33s are 3 11s are. And the 792's 2 3s are 6, 9s are 18, 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 9s are 18, 8s are 16, then 2 99, 3 33 and 3 11. So what we are going to write it for 198, we are going to write it 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. And for 792 we are going to write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Now we have how many 2's? 1 and 3. So we'll have 2 pair of 2 outside. We have 1 pair, 2 pair of 3. So we'll have 2 3's and we have only 1 pair of 11. So we'll have 1. This would be the answer. You see, we have 4 2's, we have taken 2 3 2's out. We have 4 3's, we have taken 2 3's out, and we had 2 11's, so we have taken 1 11 out. So this gives you 2 2's are 4, 3's are 12, 3's are 36, 11's are 11, 6's are 66, 11 3's are 33, and 6 39. So the answer will be 396. Okay. In this way, we have to solve question number 9. You see, question number 8, 1140 into 285, 9's 8. It is given 1140 under root into under root 285. Is it given? Now we'll be writing it together. 1140 into 285. Get the square root of 1 prime factors of 1140. 2 5's are 10, 2 7's are 14, 0. 2 2's are 4, 2 8's are 16, 2 5's are 10, 3 9's are 27, 3 5's are 15, 5 19's are 95. Come to 285, 3 95, 5 19. So what we are going to write it for 11402 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 19. And for 285 we are going to write it 3 into 5 into 19. Is it? Now see, 1 pair of 2, so 2 is out. 1 pair of 3, so 3 is out. 1 pair of 5, so 5 is out. And 1 pair of 19, so 19 is out. Is it? 5 2's are 10, 3's are 30, 19 3's are 57, and 0 5 70 would be the answer. In this way we have to solve question number 9 as well as question number 10. Or only 9 today you do, 10 will do next day. No, okay, then do 10 also. See, question number 10. I am doing number B. Number 1 and 3, you have to do it. Or I am doing number 3, the hardest one. You feel, you should also feel little bit of joy. Is it? Just see. 10, 3. You should not think that ma'am is doing easy one and she is giving us to hard one. See, the question is 490.6225 under root into 7265.8576. So what we are going to do? We are going to write it together. 492.6225. Now what I am going to do it, okay, I am writing it like that, into 7265.8576. Done. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write it in fraction. 490.6225 by 1234 into 7265.8576 by 1234. Okay. Now I'll get the square root of it. 490.6225. As I have told you, make pairs. 2 2s are 4, 90, 42 2s are 84, 6, this is 44, 62, 1 time, 441, 1, 6 minus 4, 2, 6 minus 4, 2. This gives you 442. Now we have written 2, 5. Height 2, height 3, 4 5s are 20. Place 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. 5 4s are 20 and 1. 5 4s are 20 and 2 22. This is we have got for this. Now come for this. Seven 2 6 5 8 5 7 6 pairs. 8 8 is a 64. 8 12 8 65 16 16 5 is a 80. 5 5 is a 25. 5 6 are 30 and 2 32. 825. Here it is 5 5 0 4 65. I have taken 85. I have to take, is it? Double of 170. Now height 1 2 17 2s are 34. 2 times 2 2s are 4. 2 0s are 0. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. This gives you 5 minus 4 1 8. Then 10 minus 4 6. Then 7 6. Is it? Double of this 1704. Now height 2, height 3. 4 times. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 and 1 17. 4 1s are 4. 68. So we have got it. This we have got 2215. So we can write it 2215 by 10,000 into by 100 into 8,524 into 100. Done. Now we have to do the multiplication. 8524 into 2215. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. 5 5s are 25 and 1 26. 5 8s are 40 and 2 42. 1 4s are 4. 1 2s are 2. 1 5s are 5. 1 8s are 8. Now 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16 and 1 17. Once again 1 7 0 4 8. So this gives you 0 4 to 6 6 to 8 8 8 16 5 to 7 5 to 7 4 11 8 19 and 1 20 carrying 2 4 to 6 4 10 and 8 18 carrying 1 7 and 1 8 8 1 by 1 2 3 4 zeros. This gives you 188.066 will be the answer. Just match if maybe this calculation, if it is correct, this is okay. If it is wrong, 5 to 7 to 9 1, 5 to 7 to 9 1, 8 8 16 24 25. No, it's correct only. Okay, so you do question number 9 and 10, you finish it. In this way we have to find it, and then you have, this is the answer. This is rough I have done. I have found the square root. This is the answer. Okay, in this way we have to solve it. So keep practicing, complete up to 10. Next day we'll be doing the next number. Till then, thank you.